Hey again, Brad.
Hey, how are you?
Good, pretty good. Okay, you gave us a couple of really good tips and information about incidence reports.
Yeah.
How about we talk about ABC charts?
Yeah, absolutely.
What are they?
So an ABC chart is similar to the body part of an incident report where you do have the settings prior to a behavior, the actual body or what the behavior is, and then the after of that behavior. So with an ABC chart, it is an acronym and it does have a meaning. So the A is the antecedents. So that is the events prior to happening to that behavior. The B stands for the behavior. So what is the behavior and what does that look like at that point and what is happening? And then C is the consequences. So what happened after that behavior took place.
Okay, when do we need to provide ABC charts?
Sure. So again, it's a little bit similar to incident reports. So with an ABC chart, it generally focuses on maybe 1, 2, or even 3 repeated behaviors or triggers that the participant may continuously do over and over.
Okay, so who does usually ask for the ABC chart?
Sure. So the behavioural practitioner, behaviour therapist, will be assigned to a participant. And then also what they will do is they'll ask the team members or staff members while they're on shift to record the behaviour and the actual consequences of around the triggered and behaviour. And so why they ask for this information, they generally might ask for it like from a fortnightly basis or even a monthly basis, it just depends. And they can go look at the data of what the events have taken place over that month. And that's their way of then coming and giving us the tools that we're able to do maybe to assist with that participant in that particular behaviour.
Beautiful. Okay, so and then how should we do? We just put the information there. Is it that do we need to put time and all of those categories A, B, C as you said what they stands for? So it's time and those informations. And then we collect all of those information and send them all to the behavior practitioner.
Sure. Slightly different.
Yeah,
so what we'll do is, in each sort of box you'll see under A, B, and C. Yeah. Please do timestamp as well because they want to see maybe what time of the day it is, or if it's night in the afternoon. Could it be a setting around a meal time or a certain TV show? So timestamping is absolutely important. It gives the behavior practitioner a lot more to work with. And then when that's reported, so at the end of the fortnight or at the end of the frequency that is requested, it'll be sent through to like myself or the other service and support sort of managers as well. And then we will collect that data and then we will then submit that through to the behaviour practitioner.
I've got a question. One of our support workers asked, what is the difference between an incidence report and ABC chart?
Great question. So an ABC chart will mainly focus just on the one repeated behaviour. Say, for example, participant X, will watch a certain TV show, and then whenever they see that certain character, they just start to maybe bang their head on themselves or make certain noises around that, or the behaviour could be anything. So it just focuses only on the one behaviour. There could be, a couple of behaviours or triggers associated with that. Whereas an incident report, as explained prior, could be like anything from any behaviours or escalations that occur around that setting. So even with an ABC chart or that behaviour or that trigger, that could even turn into an incident as well. So therefore we would then write an incident. So it's just an added tool that we would use to help gather just a little bit more information for like a niche section of the participants' sort of triggers and behaviours.
Yeah, beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.